The morning habit, 3 health benefits of starting your day with chia water. In the quest for optimal well-being, simple and effective habits often hold the key. One such morning elixir gaining popularity is chia water, a refreshing drink that packs a nutritional punch. In this video, we'll explore 3 health benefits of incorporating chia water into your morning routine, unlocking the potential it holds for your overall health. 1. Chia seeds are hydrophilic, meaning they can absorb water and swell to several times their original size. When added to water, chia seeds create a gel-like consistency that enhances hydration. Starting your day with chia water ensures a hydrated and refreshed beginning, supporting vital bodily functions. Here's the chia water recipe. The ingredients for chia water: 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 glass of water. The instructions for chia water: stir the chia seeds into water and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir again before drinking. 2. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, containing omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals. This nutrient-rich profile contributes to sustained energy throughout the day, making chia water an excellent choice for those seeking a natural and lasting energy boost. Here's the recipe for chia water with citrus twist. Here's the ingredients: 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 glass of water, juice of half a lemon or lime. Here's the instructions: mix chia seeds and water, add citrus juice, stir, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy a zesty, nutrient-packed beverage. 3. The soluble fiber in chia seeds promotes a feeling of fullness and supports digestive health. Consuming chia water in the morning can aid in weight management by reducing overall food intake throughout the day. Additionally, the gel-forming property of chia seeds may help soothe the digestive tract. Here's the recipe for chia water with a hint of mint. Here's the ingredients: 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 glass of water, fresh mint leaves. Here's the instructions: combine chia seeds and water, add fresh mint leaves, stir and let it sit. Revel in a refreshing and digestive-friendly beverage. The considerations and tips for chia water: start with a small amount of chia seeds if you're new to consuming them, gradually increasing as your body adjusts. Stay consistent with your chia water routine to experience long-term benefits. Customize your chia water with added fruits, herbs, or natural sweeteners for variety. In conclusion, incorporating chia water into your morning ritual is a simple yet powerful step toward a healthier and more energized you. From enhanced hydration and sustained energy to digestive harmony, the benefits of chia water extend beyond taste. As with any dietary change, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or concerns. Embrace the goodness of chia water and embark on a journey to holistic well-being, one refreshing sip at a time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.